Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download GTA 5 on PC and laptop. And for this, first of all, we need a launcher to download this application. So what we want to do is we search for Steam. Then we click on Steam, and then right now we need to download Steam. So we click here on Install Steam, and then right now he is downloading it. Click here on the setup. And then right now we click on yes, then we do next, we do English, then this is fine. And then right now we do next again, and then Steam is downloading. Then we click on finish and we run Steam. And then first he is updating Steam, but in a few seconds he will open Steam. Alright, now Steam got downloaded, so now immediately after it he will open Steam, so like this, and then this is exactly what you will see. Then right now click here on add account and create your own account on Steam. If you don't have an account, click here on create a free account and then please do all the things that they need to create your own account. I already have an account, so I go back and click here on my own account. So right now we just logged into our account and now he's loading the user data, and then you will see exactly these two screens. Then from now this is not important, close this, and then this is the screen that we need to find GTA 5 on. So right now we go here to the search bar and search for GTA, enter, and then you will find it right here. So we click here on GTA 5. Then right now they are asking for your birthday, so fill in your birthday. They need to know that you are old enough to download GTA. So let's see, 2000. Then we go to view page. And then right now it's quite simple, because right now if you scroll down, you see here the packages that you can buy. So let's say we want to buy this package, then we do add to cart, then we do view cart, and then right now we need to go to continue payment, and then right now you can decide how you want to pay. Then after this, when you do everything correct, you will earn the GTA 5 right here in your library, and then you just click here on install and then you can install the game. So it's a paid game, so keep in mind that you need to pay 30 euros for it at least to play this game. It's not free. And then after this, you can play GTA 5 on your PC. So this is exactly how this works. If you have questions, please comment them below and let me know exactly what they are so I can help you out with that. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.